All right, so the rest of these are equations or line questions that I've made up that are a little bit more difficult than the ones we've done throughout. They just have more thinking. All right, so not any harder in terms of like you still do the same process. You still go m equals. You're still looking for a point it goes through, but maybe now you got a little more work to do to figure out what's going on. Let's move the rest of them. So it says find the equation of a line that's perpendicular to AB. All right, and then it tells me what A and B is. So in the past, when we've had any perpendicular stuff, we've been able to get the slope right directly from the problem. Either it was right there or there was an equation that I solved, and I just had to take the slope from that equation and make perpendicular. This one, I have to actually plot these 2 points, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3. So I have to plot these 2 points. I need to find the slope between those 2 points and then make it perpendicular. All right, so I'm going to go like this and like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2. All right, both positive. Okay, so the issue is I have to now remember that I want the perpendicular slope for this line, which is -2/4. So that's the slope that I'm looking for. So this is a little different than some of the other ones that we've seen. The other issue is when we've had points in the past like this, it's gone through them. This line that I'm creating does not go through either of those points. It doesn't go through that one. It doesn't go through that one. It goes through this one. Now it says that in the words, but that's why these are really important to read. Because if I don't read them, I may mistake this. If you did number 2 right above this, it was one of the ones where it goes through these 2 points. And this one looks very much the same as that one. But if you read it carefully, it's not the same because it goes perpendicular instead of through them, and that doesn't go through either one of them. It could say that it went through B, but it's perpendicular. It doesn't say that. It says it goes through this entirely different point. So I get y minus -1 equals -2/4. You could have reduced that to -1/2. I didn't reduce it this time. I didn't think about it. I've got double negatives in both. Okay, it does not say to solve for y equals any place in the problem, so I'm leaving it just like that. All right, so if you do the rest of these, take your time and practice them and really read them.